Welcome to Arabic Zone channel. If you want to learn Arabic, speak Arabic, read Arabic, pronounce Arabic, this is the channel for you. Share it to anyone who wants to learn Arabic and benefit. Let's get into the video. Alright, today is going to be the 22nd letter of the alphabet of the Arabic language, which is KAAF. It's called KAAF, just like the letter K in English. KAAF, this is how we write it in the middle, in the beginning, in the middle, and in the end. Now we're going to use a short vowel with it, short vowels, fatha, dhamma, kasra, and read it. Ka, ku, ki. The one in green are called short vowels, fatha, dhamma, kasra, ka, ku, ki. And then we're going to use the long vowels, ka, ku, ki. There's a stretch because they're long vowels, mad bil alif, mad bil waw, and mad bil ya. Now we're going to study a new concept after studying the تاء مربوطة in the previous lessons. If you don't know what I'm talking about, please refer to the previous lessons to know everything and grasp the idea, and you'll catch up with this lesson. Tanween is basically putting the sound n at the end, whether it's an or un or in. So it can be an, un, in. Basically you put two fatha or two dhammas or two kasras, and then you put the sound in. This is basically when the noun is unidentified or there's no an article right before it. It's like saying an apple, a table, rather than the table. Okay, so the green ones, we put mad bil alif kasra and then tanween dham. The two dhamma are called tanween dham. We read it as sahibun, sahibun, sad mad bil alif sa, ha kasra hi, and then ba with tanween dham is bun. Did you see the sound? We basically used the dhamma sound with the n sound. And now the female for the sahibun, which is friend, the female of it is sahibatun, which is friend, but a female friend. Sahibatun. If you can see, I put in the red marker all the vowels. Sad mad bil alif sa, ha with kasra hi, ba with fatha ba, and then ta marbuta with tanween dham is tun. Sahibatun, sahibatun. And if there's no vowels on the ta marbuta at the end of the word sahiba, it's going to be like an H basically. You're going to read it as sahiba. So again, sad with mad bil alif sa, there's a stretch because it's a long vowel, and then ha with kasra hi, and then ba with fatha ba, and then ta with tanween dham is going to be tun, and if it's only dhamma it's going to be tu, and if there's no vowel it's going to be sahiba. So sahibun, male friend, sahibatun, female friend. Alright, we've reached the end of the video. We're going to study the hundreds in Arabic. Yay! We're going to know how to pronounce 100 till 1000 in Arabic. Okay, so 100 is mi'a in the book Arabic. In the spoken Arabic, it's miya, and then mitain, 200, ثلاثمية, 300, أربعمية, 400, خمسمية, 500, ستمية, 600, سبعمية, 700, ثمانمية, 800, 900 is تسعمية, ألف is 1000, and مية وواحد is 101. Alright, so those are the numbers. We've reached the end of the video. If you want to learn Arabic, speak Arabic, read Arabic, pronounce Arabic, this is the channel for you for purposes of reading Quran, for career furthering, and for personal reasons. Arabic is honest for you. Please share it to anyone who wants to learn Arabic. Thank you very much for watching.